Hi, Larry Gaines, Paracycle Trading. Do you get tired of looking for trades, scanning through hundreds of charts, visually just trying to find something that's worth looking at? Well, I used to just get totally burned out doing it until I put together a scanner that I use now to scan for what I call volatility compression type of swing trade setups. Now, these are trades that I've put rules together, and then I've coded it, incorporated into a scanner that I've created, and it looks specifically for trades that are kind of compressing, consolidating together, showing signs of breaking hard to the upside or downside. And these particular type trades, setups, can turn into really fantastic swing trades, those trades that can last 1 day to 4 to 5 days. So here's what it looks like. It's just basically a matrix, and within this matrix, I've got my scanning rule that's based on a volatility squeeze. So here I've got it set up for a daily. I can look at everything that's in a daily squeeze. I can see when something's triggered out of a daily squeeze, and then I can even break it down from 1 minute all the way to 1 month. So like first thing I'll do is I'll scan on a daily basis. So here's a daily squeeze. These are various stocks and futures that I've put together on a custom list. And here one thing that I noticed was that Facebook is in a squeeze. There are some others, Cena and some others, but Facebook's in a squeeze here on a daily. And then what I do is see, well, is that also in a squeeze on other time frames? So then I'll check the weekly, and I can see here, well, yeah, Facebook's also in a squeeze on the weekly. And then I can check to see, well, is it in a squeeze on the 60-minute or another time frame? Here's the 60-minute, and I look down here. Yeah, it's in a squeeze also on the 60-minute time frame. And then why not? Let me check to see if maybe it's on the 4-hour. So here's a squeeze, 4-hour time frame. Yeah, it's in a squeeze there. So this is in a squeeze. Facebook's in a squeeze on 1, 2, 3, 4 multiple different time frames. Now this tells me that it has potential for a potential nice move either up or down. So the next thing I do is I just go to my chart. So I link this, connect that, and I'll go to my Facebook chart real quick. So now what do I see? Well, I can see that my indicators, this is my volatility squeeze indicator right here, these dots indicate when it went into the squeeze, still in a squeeze. I can see my trend line. It's breaking the trend line for Facebook. This is the daily time frame. My cycle momentum 1 and 2 are up, so it's getting momentum to the upside. So this is looking interesting. So now I want to see, okay, well, let me see now the weekly time frame. Well, here's the weekly time frame. It's also in that squeeze, really tight consolidation squeeze. Momentum indicators here are down, but it's sideways. So now I want to look at the shorter term time frames that it was in a squeeze. Here's the 4-hour. It's in a squeeze there, breaking the trend line. Momentum indicators are up. And here's the hourly time frame. Momentum indicators are up. So this is telling me that there's a really good probability, a high probability, that Facebook is setting up for a break to the upside. And then what I'll do next is I'll look at option strategies to incorporate, define risks to trade a trade to the upside on Facebook. So I hope this helps. Now, one more thing I wanted to share with you is that I'm going to be doing a very extensive course this Saturday, February 21st, on swing trading, my formula for swing trading. Let me show you the details on that. So this Saturday, February 21st, starting at 11 a.m. till 4, I'll be doing a swing trading using options. I'm going to show you my what I call my maximizer formula that I put together for selecting swing trades, and then all the entry-exit rules for these swing trades. So it's a very comprehensive course. It'll be 5 hours or as long as it takes. And then you'll also get my follow up the recorded 30-minute modules of the course, full training manual of the course, swing trading rule handouts, and 105-page Paracycle trading manual with 6 training videos, and a follow-up Q&A for the course. So I hope you'll join me. And it's, again, all the details are on this email. You can just click on the link on the email that's provided to you, and it'll show you all the details and course registration. So I hope to see you Saturday, February 21st, starting at 11 a.m. It'll be recorded. That's Eastern. Good luck trading.